Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with day 19 of Earl Nightingale's 2 Steps to Create a Miracle in Your Life. Just like we talked about on day 18, we want to eliminate the inessentials, focus on the things that are working. When you identify those things that are working, we want you to make sure that you focus on them in such a way that it doesn't feel like you're doing busy work, you're scatterbrained, you're running around just doing stuff to be busy. Remember that if you eliminate those things that are not working, what remains will be much more effective. So focus on those things, but do it deliberately. Make decisions and then act on those decisions. I don't want you to be running around like a loon doing all this activity just so that you feel like you're doing more work. Focus on those small number of things that are working, that are effective, and push onward with those things and only those things. Work harder than you've ever worked before, but work effectively. Keep reading your goal card every single day as often as you possibly can, and this thing is going to come true and it's going to happen for you. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.